How to schedule a message
Hello
on Instagram.
everyone.
This is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting in time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the search bar and type Instagram. Now once you're done, simply tap on the search icon. Now tap on Instagram and click on update if any update is available. Now while the update is being downloaded, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Now after installing the update, simply tap on open. Now at the top right corner, go to the message tab. Now open up your message. Now tap on message and type your message. Now keep holding the send icon. Now a menu will appear. Now select the date and time you want to send your message. Now click on send tomorrow. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.